Wow! Look at this balcony, Anna.
Oh, it is very big, Tom.
Yes, but look at the street below. It is so noisy.
You are right. The cars are very loud.
And the price is $1,500.
Oh no, that is too expensive for your first apartment.
Let us keep looking.
Yes, we will find the right place today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Stories Academy. As you just saw, our friend Tom is looking for his very first apartment, and his friend Anna is helping him. Finding a good place to live can be very difficult, especially when you are on a budget. In today's story, you will learn very important English vocabulary for house hunting. You will learn how to describe rooms, talk about prices, and understand rental contracts in English. If you are a beginner, please don't worry. The English in this story is slow, clear, and easy to follow. All you need to do is just relax, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Before we start, here is your single challenge question for today. What is Tom's job? Listen carefully to the story to find the answer and write it in the comments section below. Are you ready? Let's travel back to 9 a.m. at the hotel room and see the whole story from the beginning.
Good morning, Anna. Come in, please.
Hello, Tom. Wow, you look very tired today.
Oh, yes. I am very exhausted. Living in this small hotel room is difficult.
I understand. How long are you here now?
I have been here for 3 weeks. I started my new job last Monday. I need my own place.
Do not worry. I am here to help you. Let us talk about your favorite type of apartment.
Thank you so much, Anna. You are a very good friend. I do not know this country well.
That is fine. It is a big change for you. So, what is your budget?
My budget is $900 a month. Can I find a good place for that price?
Yes, absolutely. $900 is a good budget. Do you want a big apartment?
No, I do not need a big place. A small apartment is fine. 1 bedroom is perfect for me.
Okay, 1 bedroom. Do you need a kitchen with appliances?
Oh, yes. I love to cook. I need a fridge, a stove, and an oven.
Great. What about the location? Where is your new office?
My office is in the city center. I want an apartment near a train station. I do not have a car here.
Ah, that is very important. The trains are very fast here. Let us look at the first apartment on my phone.
Oh, let me see. Wow, the pictures look very nice.
Yes, this one is near the central station. It has 1 bedroom and a new kitchen.
Wonderful. How much is the rent?
The rent is $750 a month.
Oh, that is a very good price. It is under my budget.
Yes, it is. I called the agent yesterday. We can see the apartment at 10 o'clock.
Wow, that is great. Let's go now. I'll get my jacket.
Hello? Are you Tom?
Yes, hello. Nice to meet you. This is my friend Anna.
Nice to meet you both. Welcome to the apartment. Come inside.
Thank you. Oh, the living room is very bright.
Yes, it has 2 large windows. The sun comes in every morning.
But the room is very small. Where can I put a sofa?
A small sofa can fit here. Look at this side. There's space for a television, too.
Okay. Let us look at the kitchen. Is the fridge new?
Yes, the fridge is new. The stove is clean and works well.
Ah, that is good. But wait, where is the oven? I do not see an oven.
Oh, there's no oven in this kitchen. It is only a stove.
Oh no. I need an oven for my cooking. I bake bread every weekend.
I see. That is a pity. Let us look at the bedroom now.
Wow, the bedroom is very quiet. Is the bed included?
No, the apartment is unfurnished. You must buy your own bed and table.
Oh, really? That means I need to buy a lot of furniture. That is expensive.
Yes, furniture can cost a lot of money, but the rent here is very cheap. It is $750.
Does the rent include the water and electricity bills?
No, it does not. You must pay for water, electricity, and internet. Those bills are about $100 extra.
So total is $850. That is close to my budget.
Yes. Do you like the apartment?
It is nice, but I'm not sure. I need an oven, and I want some furniture.
I understand. Take your time to think about it.
Thank you, Maya. I will call you later today.
So, Tom, what do you think about the first apartment?
It was okay, but it is not perfect. No oven is a big problem for me.
Yes, and you need to buy a bed, a sofa, and a table. That is a lot of work.
Exactly. I want a furnished apartment. It is easier for my first year here.
You are right. A furnished apartment saves a lot of time. Let us check the internet again.
Look at this one, Anna. It says, fully furnished, 1 bedroom.
Oh, let me read the description. It has a bed, a sofa, a television, and a complete kitchen. It even has a washing machine.
Wow, a washing machine inside the apartment? That is amazing. In the hotel, I pay a lot for laundry.
Yes, a washing machine is very useful. Where is this apartment located?
It is near the Green Park. Is that area nice?
Oh, yes. The park area is beautiful and very safe. Many young people live there. There are shops and restaurants everywhere.
That sounds perfect for me. How far is it from the train station?
It is a 5-minute walk to the station. Then it is only 10 minutes to your office by train.
Wow, that is great. But wait, look at the rental price.
Oh, let me see. It is $1,100 a month.
Ugh, that is too much. My maximum budget is $900. This is $200 over my budget.
That is true, but it includes all bills. Water, electricity, and high-speed internet are free.
Oh, really? Let me calculate. The first apartment was $750 plus $100 for bills. That was $850.
Yes, and you needed to buy furniture. A bed and a sofa cost at least $500.
You are right. $1,100 is high, but I don't buy furniture and no extra bills.
Exactly. Do you want to see it? I can call the owner right now.
Yes, please. Let's call them. Maybe we can negotiate the price.
Maybe. Let me dial the number.
Good afternoon. Welcome. I am Leo, the landlord.
Good afternoon, Mr. Leo. I am Tom. This is Anna.
Hello. Come upstairs to the second floor. There is an elevator, too.
Oh, an elevator is good for heavy bags.
Yes, it is very convenient. Here is the apartment. Please come in.
Wow! This living room is very beautiful. The sofa looks very comfortable.
Thank you. The sofa is almost new. There is a flat-screen television on the wall, too.
And look at the kitchen, Anna. It is very modern.
Oh, yes. It has a big fridge and, look, Tom, there is a very large oven.
Haha, yes. An oven. This is exactly what I need.
Are you a chef?
No. I am an accountant, but I love to bake bread on weekends.
Ah, wonderful. The oven is excellent. Let us look at the bathroom. The washing machine is in here.
The bathroom is very clean. Everything looks new.
Mr. Leo, is the internet fast here? Tom needs good internet for his work.
Yes, it is fiber internet. It is very fast and reliable. It is perfect for video calls. That is excellent. Let us see the bedroom. This way, please. The bedroom has a double bed and a large wardrobe for clothes. The bed is quite big. The window opens to the backyard. It is very quiet here. No street noise at all. Yes, the backyard is very peaceful. You can sleep very well here.
I love this place, but the price is $1,100. That is a bit high for me.
The price includes all utilities. You do not pay for water, heat, or internet.
I understand, but can you do $1,000 a month? If yes, I can sign the contract today.
Oh, $1,000 is a bit low for this area. The park is very close.
I can sign a contract for 1 full year. I have a permanent job contract.
A permanent job is very good. Let me think. Can you do $1,050?
$1,050. Anna, what do you think?
That is a fair price for a furnished place with bills included.
Okay, Mr. Leo, $1,050. We have a deal.
Great. We can sign the paperwork tomorrow morning. You need to pay a deposit, too.
How much is the deposit?
The deposit is 1 month of rent, $1,050. You get it back when you move out. Perfect.
I can pay that by bank transfer.
Excellent. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. in my office.
Thank you very much, Mr. Leo. Have a nice afternoon.
Wow, Tom. Congratulations. You found your first apartment.
Haha, yes. I am so happy, Anna. Thank you for your help today. I could not do this without you.
You are welcome. It is a wonderful apartment. The kitchen is amazing. Now you can bake bread for me.
Haha, yes, of course. I will bake a big loaf of fresh bread next week.
When can you move in?
Mr. Leo said the apartment is ready now, so I can move in this Saturday.
That is in 2 days. Do you need help with your bags?
No, thank you. I only have 2 large suitcases at the hotel. I can take a taxi to the new apartment.
That is easy then. No big furniture to move.
Yes, Choosing a furnished place was a very good idea. It makes everything simple.
Tonight we must celebrate. Let us go to a nice restaurant near your new home.
That sounds perfect. Dinner's on me. Let us find a good Italian restaurant. I want some pizza.
Pizza sounds delicious. Let us go.
What a wonderful story. I am so happy that Tom found the perfect, quiet apartment with a big oven for his baking. It shows that comparing options and negotiating can save you a lot of money. Now, let's go back to our challenge question. What is Tom's job? Did you catch the answer in the middle of the story? Please write your answer in the comments below using a full sentence. For example, Tom is an, or his job is. This is an excellent way to practice your real English writing skills. Here at Slow English Stories Academy, we share slow, simple, and natural conversations to help you improve your English day by day. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next story. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. Keep practicing, enjoy your pizza, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.